If you want to start an online business, this is your moment. Shopify is offering a free trial, but not just any trial. With the exclusive link in my description, you can unlock a Shopify free trial for 90 days. This deal isn't on Shopify's homepage. It only works through my link, so click it now to lock in the best offer. This Shopify trial lets you launch your business with zero upfront cost. Whether it's dropshipping, print on demand, physical or digital products, the Shopify free trial gives you time to test, build, and grow without any risk. In this video, I'll show you how to get Shopify free for 90 days and how to set up your store step by step, even if you're starting from scratch. First, click the link in the description. That's the only way to activate the Shopify 3-month free trial. On the sign up page, enter your email and click Start Free Trial. Then create your account. Use the same email, choose a password, and click Create Shopify Account. Next, Shopify will ask a few setup questions. Choose Online Store if you're building a website, or select Facebook, Instagram, or Amazon if you're selling across platforms. If you're a beginner, select I'm not selling products yet. That works perfectly. Then choose what you plan to sell: dropshipping items, physical goods, digital products, or services. Not sure? Shopify connects with apps like AutoDS and AppScenic to help you find winning products and add them to your store in one click. Click Get Started to move on. Now you'll pick a Shopify plan. To activate the trial, you must select a plan. But don't worry, you won't be charged right away. The Shopify free trial 90 days starts immediately, and billing begins only after it ends. The basic plan is ideal for most users. It includes everything to design your store, accept payments, and launch your business. Enter your payment info and business address to confirm the trial. Again, no upfront charges. This just unlocks full access to your account. Now you're in the Shopify dashboard. Time to customize your store. Use Shopify's drag and drop editor. No coding needed. Upload your logo, change fonts and colors, and choose a theme that fits your brand. Then start adding products. Upload images, write descriptions, set prices, and organize them. If you're using dropshipping apps like AutoDS or DCRs, importing products is instant. You can have a live store in minutes. Next, set up your payment options. Accept credit cards, PayPal, Google Pay, Apple Pay, and Shop Pay, which even lets your customers buy now, pay later. To publish your store, go to Online Store, then Preferences, and remove the password. Your store is now live. Shopify handles all the tech: hosting, site speed, SSL, security, so you can focus on your business, not back-end setup. Worried Shopify is too advanced? Don't be. It's beginner-friendly and built to scale. You get access to email marketing, SEO tools, AI product descriptions, inventory management, and more. Need help with ideas or tools? Head to the Shopify App Store. Thousands of apps for product research, analytics, automation, upselling, and more. All plug and play. And if you ever need support, Shopify's team is available 24/7. Chat with real people who know exactly how to help, no matter where you're stuck. This Shopify 90-day free trial is your window to build an online business with no pressure. Whether it's a side hustle or your first step toward full-time income, this offer makes it possible. Again, the Shopify trial 3 months free offer is only available through my special link. You won't find it on the homepage, and it might disappear soon. So, take action now. If you've been thinking about launching a store, this is the best time to do it. Click the link in the description, claim your Shopify free trial, and turn your idea into income. Thanks for watching. If this helped, like the video, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments. I read them all, and I'm happy to help. But most importantly, don't forget to click the link in the description and grab your Shopify 90-day free trial while it's still live. This is your chance to build something real, completely risk-free. Good luck, and I'll see you in the next video.